How to create Jet2 account. So if you want to create a Jet2 account, then first open up a browser. I'm here with Chrome browser, and go for the search bar and search for Jet2. Once you've searched, here you will have www.jet2.com. Click on that, and here you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. So first click on accept and then go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and here you can go for sign in or create account. And now you need to enter your email address. So simply enter your email address, and if you don't have an account with this email address, then it will take you to create account page. But if you have an account, then it will take you to sign in page. So if you want to create an account, then enter the email address that you have not used before and go for continue. And once you've done that, click on send verification code, and now you will receive a verification code to your email inbox. So open up your email, and here you have received the verification code. So here you can simply scroll down and you can copy this code and paste that code here and click on verify. And now you need to create your password. So simply create your password with at least minimum of 10 characters, including an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, and numbers. And once you've created your password, click on continue. And if you don't want to miss the offers on my Jet2, then you can click on opt-in for my Jet2 offers and then click on continue again. And that's it. That's how you create my Jet2 account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.